Dad, anytime today you open the gate.
What's that?
You can take it out. No. Check it before you go out. Just check it first.
He wants to play already.
Read it, right, Mark? Who is it from?
Kaya dapat babasahin talaga para makita niya kung talaga ano. Kita mo, nagkasabi ako.
Raymond, from Tita John, Tita Minda, and Kuya Patrick, and Ate Krista. Okay. Yay! Okay.
Toy!
What is it, Jen? Oh, it's a plastic.
Oh, wow, plastic bag! Yeah!
Hey, just a plastic bag.
And there's another box in the plastic bag. And then
Another plastic. Wow! Ang dami kotse yan. 20 cars.
At least may mekaniko na tayo. I don't know. Hey, who's that from, Tita Cal? Tomas. From US? He likes cars or drawing books. I like cars too. Why not drawing? Oh, there was a guy there. A big car. Oh, buy me a big Max Toys R Us. Kukulit daw sila ng Matchbox. May sale ng Matchbox, half price. May pili na yung mga wala sila. Pati kayo, bibigyan niya rin. No, I'm collecting din. Titignan niya yung wala sila.
here, at saka yung mga ano. Oh, totoo.
My God, sabi ko,
Ang Matchbox talaga.
oh, he collects them, he said.
Pero ano kayo yung Matchbox? Nakapang-box? Toys R Us?
Oh, half price. There was a guy there. Isang shopping cart. He was collecting it. Ha? May tao doon. Pagkakaibigan na kukolect siya ng Matchbox.
Gusto nang palarawin eh, oh.
There's more.
Pay later. Gusto nyo nang laruin eh.
Alam mo, kanina pa yung baling-baling siya.
My present.
To Raymond from Joel and Kuya Joel. Bilis na?
Nagregalo kami. Si matandang lobe, may iyak-iyak eh.
Ang dami mo na
Ano sa akin? Wala na.
Eh, sandali.
Pabigay mo na. Pabigay na.
Magluto ko na.
Pabigay mo kay Inay.
Pupunta kami. Sabi ko, Gloria, ano mga pangalan ng mga asawa nandyan? Yung dalang maliliit.
Raymond from Mansfield family.
Pagdating namin yung tuwa ko.
Kailangan mabisa na kayo. Raymond again. Children, Tita Benny. May envelope yan ah.
It's a gun, all right! Yeah, a gun, good! Oh, cat! Oh, cool! He's got a good one.
Manang. Oh, I'm sorry.
Pagpili Jojo, yan. Magpili ako. Alam mo yan, ang tagal niya lang hinahanapan ng baril-barilan. Raymond from Nina Owen and Ate Cathy.
Malaki na 50 bilya sa isa.
Hindi siya makita, Raquel eh. Raquel, hindi siya makikita eh. Labas mo dito.
Sila alala
Yan makikita. Yan. Ito naman.
Si Jojo, siya nakita.
Hi!
From araw niya kamera. What's there? Let's mark it.
Get them up there. Like pajama thing when you had the kids. But the dampers, it took the last smallest size for it. And then all the rest were huge. It looked cool because it's Batman. It's all suit. It's got a
Ate Jen!
Hey, by the time Raymond tries to play that thing, the battery will be dead.
The big guys are playing it. Yung mga teenager, yeah, yung
Sa bahay na
maganda nga yun. Just going around over there. Maganda pa yun. Boss, mukhang umiinit na, malakas ang heater natin. Kasi yung excitement is very high. Very high tension. You better cool down the heater. Mainit na. Wow, another one? Ang dami.
Pwede na kayo magtayo na sa tahan.
Ang dami.
Ang dami na ang ganda naman yan.
Who gave that to Raymond?
Lahat na yan na naglalaro, matatanda. Pwede daw, Raymond, gusto niya nang laruin eh.
Yung fur coat. Hindi, nice back. Nasa laban. On the go yun.
Di ba yung Altima?
Manang, kanina yung rain sa bahay na. Sa Florida sa kailangan mo umaga. Daddy, wait,
Kaya mo lagi malaki ng kotse.
Nanay, nakuha na yung pera niya. Nakailangan daw yung sobrang kasama yan. Nakuha na yung sobre. Gamit kay Miria tayo.
Jo, susunod, tayong dalawa na magbubukas ha.
Tayo mauna.
Mauna tayo sa mga bata, matagal ito, ang dami. Ang dami nila. Walang katapusan eh.
Another car!
O yung inyo.
Hey, Raymond, tomorrow we'll open up a toy store.
You didn't get that toy when it need batteries.
Man, nakalimutan pa natin yung sombrero niya. Tama, kasunod na sa yung sa fire truck eh. Bigyan natin.
I'll give it to you and just open it. I'll give it to you.
Yan ang gusto ng mami.
Mayaman na ng anak mo.
Merry Christmas.
Tristan! Tristan! Where's Hershey? Where's Hershey? Oh, okay. Because this thing is open. Oh, she's outside? Bring her in and bring her in.
I don't know what it is.
Ay, kinakaberan niyo yung video. Sa bata.
Right, come on, go.
Oh, you guys broke it?
I'll drink some whiskey. Some man, drink some whiskey.
Matatanda niyo para nung kay Raymar eh.
Hindi naman nila yung
Mahirap din yan eh. That's hot.
Yeah.
Bumabalik ka eh. Iibot-ibot. It's like...
Naubos mo ba yung bote?
Kailangan mapalabas mo.
Yeah, thank you. Ano sila all the way? Hershey might go out.
Right, go.
Pero 17 siya.
Tingnan muna. Oh, sige, dami na ni Raymark eh.
Oh, Jobet naman. Jobet is next. Jobet is next.
Vicky!
Isang bote na naman si ano ron? Si Joe.
Yun naman.
Si Chris.
Oo nga naman. Naubos mo yung maliit ko pa?
Ay, oo.
Eh, gusto ko matapon na yun eh.
Pareho yung dala ko. Ubus na eh. Biglang lumiit nung lumaki yung dala niya. Oh, kami naman ni Joe. Tatagal niya.
Max, ano kayo?
Ah, bukas na ba kami?
Parang,
Isave mo niya lang sa New Year.
mga parang hudyo, 3 days. 3 days celebration.
Okay, it's Jobet's turn.
Jobet's turn. Get away from the camera. There, Jobet and ano yan? Ay, alternate sila.
Ah, alternate. Pwede.
Ay, baka magkapalitan kayo dyan, ha?
Basta si Lito, hindi ko alam to. Paano ba ito?
Sa'yo yan, sa ako alam. Ay,
That's your man.
Ay, that's your camera. Ay, sabi ni Lili.
Anong gagawin ko na?
Pero alam niyo yung games.
Yung Sega.
Ito, asan yung papalapit mo?
Eto.
Yung mga nanonood.
This one's from Tita Minda and Tita Joe, the Lucy family. Patrick's right.
Ano mo ba sila pareho?
Ano, sa alitan?
Dito ka na. Patrick, you will stay.
Right next to Snow.
Patrick, sit down.
Sit down. Sit down.
Mama.
One more time. Wow!
Winnie, easy lang. Isa lang.
Bakit walang dal? Dal?
Hey, you can't fit in there.
Okay, si Vale meron siyang dal. From Auntie Mirna. Thank you.
Yay! Again.
Kailangan papagawa kayo sa bahay para lang playroom.
Oh, yung kay Raymark lang. Diyos ko, dami.
Kalaway ng mga tao sa atin. Isang toy lang siguro makuha ng bata.
Sobrang pera.
Madala na lang natin sa Pilipinas.
My friends. Kasi, ang gagawa niyo ako.
Come on, rip it up, please. I'm running out of film.
Ano ba, ipisilap na rin po.
Mom! Her mom. My mom. Open it. Let's eat it. Open. Oh, it's from the food.
She's fine. Which one?
Eh, yung buton.
Nakabili ng wig na afro.
Ilan next?
I already took picture. Bawat open bag sa mga. How many pictures?
What's the job at anyway?
I already took I wanted it done.
Ninong dikit ani.
What is that, the same? Ma?
Get out of here.
Same one.
No. Malaki ito.
Wala ba kayong ano dyan? Pwedeng burahin. 8 yan ano?
There's a dog.
Ay, 8. Oo, 8.
Ano yan? 8
8 lang. Cry baby! Cry baby! Cry baby!
Parang kaset. Wow! Ayun pala eh! Doon yun sa... Hindi eh, kay Joven Cheese. Parang from...
Oh, hindi mo.
Alin?
Magkapagitaro eh.
Hey! Next.
Recording ba?
Ate Jen and Ate Abigail. Alright. Yeah! I want the bag.
Kanina. Hindi ako Yung na pinakamaliliit.
Thank you daw, Jen.
Wow!
Daddy, just why did you?
Wait, it's from Grandma. From Grandma.
Yes, kasama.
Did you? I was. How much? I said, oh,
Pinapabalik sa niya sa
So he's gonna eat it. Grandma!
Somebody's like stopping me. Do you have a collection?
No,
Which one?
I have princess.
Which one?
I have princess.
Thai?
I have
Thai?
Wow, from Grandma!
Did you see her?
I have Seymour.
What'd you get there?
He collects. No, he collects. I collect too.
Oh!
He gave me a lot of.
Hindi mo napansin mga bata.
I have princess. Over there. Do you have princess? Do you have earrings? He's coming. I'll give you one. You want princess? Alright, princess or earrings? From the Manzanito family.
The Mancinidos.
Hey, Dad.
which one now? You wanna open this one?
Shoot, Grandma!
Okay, don't open it yet.
Hey, you have to open it. Oh, yeah.
Wow!
Okay, open up, open up, open up.
Meron yatang malaman na. May laman ka no.
Ay, sino ba baka may treasure?
Gold, si Treasure. Yan.
There's treasure in there.
Ako nang bahala magbuksan nito.
Ay, naku.
Sa ilalim pa, sa ilalim. Meron pa yung sa ilalim.
Sa ilalim pa.
Alam sa kanya.
Yung mga 1,000, 1,000.